Tung International Limited presents to you the Jet Stapler. Our research and development of the first handheld jet stapler began in 2011. After 3 years of incredible hard work, our team finally overcame all the challenges to create the most groundbreaking stapler of all time. The jet stapler's innovative reduced force mechanism enables users to get the maximum result with the least effort, requiring nearly 3.8 kilograms motive power to finish the action. The same level of force for 2 to 25 sheets of paper. For a lightweight body like the jet staplers, it certainly delivers a surprisingly powerful and precise performance. With a slight press, staples naturally stick through the paper at exactly where you want it. The fantastic design conveniently accommodates both 24/6 and 26/6 staples and makes reloading staples incredibly effortless. Follow 3 simple steps. It's all set to go. When the stapler gets jammed, again, with just 3 simple steps, you're back on track. It's that easy. Let the jet stapler make life simple for you.